kind of lean a little bit there.
Oh, God. Okay. All right.
Are we good?
Yes.
All
I'm
right.
sorry, y'all. I'm going to be the sounds.
Hey, it's just loud.
It's just loud. It doesn't hurt at all. It's just, I wasn't ready for the
Yeah.
sound.
And those bones are right by her ear, so it's
Yes.
louder for her. Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So then right here, go ahead and relax and just a little bit.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah. That's the sound of relief,
that was loud.
right? Yeah. So now go ahead and lie here on your back, right here. Almost like a hug. Good.
Oh.
All right.
Oh, that was a good.
Yeah, that's gonna open the shoulders up, right?
Oh,
Go
yeah.
ahead and turn on your side towards me. Go ahead and relax.
Oh.
Let's turn the other way.
Okay.
You know, just relax the hip. Good. Now lay
It
face
popped
up.
before you even.
That was good. Now just lay right there flat on your back.
Flat on my back.
Yep.